Oh, hello, Professor Potato. Welcome to our blood bank. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm feeling really good today. Actually, I'm feeling a bit nauseous, but
You look kind of pale.
yeah, maybe just a little.
So how can we help you today?
I'd like to donate some blood.
Oh.
I'm short on money, so.
Okay, well, we don't really give money for blood donations. If you want to donate platelets, you could, but if you want to donate...
Why would I report them?
Well, what's in that bucket over there?
Oh, wait, I thought this is where you go to donate blood.
What do you... But why do you have a bucket?
What do you mean, why do I have a bucket?
But you have to make an appointment for the blood bank.
But,
Professor Potato, what do you got in that bucket there?
I have the blood to donate.
You got a bucket of blood?
Yeah.
Why do you have a bucket of blood?
To donate.
Why would you do that?
Because that's what happened in my hometown. We did everything with buckets. We made musical instruments with buckets. We made shoes with buckets. We made hats with them. When we went to the bank, we made a deposit with buckets. We donated baby. We donated. Babies were delivered in buckets. Back in my hometown.
Well, I guess that's why you look so pale, because the blood is all in that bucket.
Yeah, maybe it is. Oh, God. Can I have my cookie yet?
Well, we got to set you up for a blood donation appointment, but I don't know.
Why can't I just give it here right now? I mean, I already have it.
In the bucket.
Yeah.
You sure it's not a bouquet?
What do you mean?
Bouquet residence. So you have a bucket of blood.
Yes.
Do you also have a statue of a cat that has a cat inside the statue?
What? That doesn't make any sense. Why would I?
Because you have a bucket of blood. Do you have a lot of beatniks? Like...
I haven't been beatnik in 20 years. I just want to donate my blood so I can get out of here, reuse the bucket, so I can also donate some money to the children's hospital.
In the same bucket that you have a bucket of blood?
Yeah.
Well, that's why you're so pale. Alright, again, that was better the first time around. Is that a UFO over there, or is that just like a blimp or something?
What? That's probably a UFO.
Let's see, we could turn around and see if the folks can see at home. Well, now it's behind the trees, and it's taking a while to turn this around. No,
I was outside.
Six in the way. Well, that's even worse.
I remember.
Yeah.
One time.
In 2 miles, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-81 south exit toward Harrisburg.
I was outside a house, and I saw this big, long string of lights, like red and a yellow color, I think, and they were flashing in between each other. And then I asked my sisters to come out, and they just said it was a freaking bear stick out there,
We got €5. Thank you.
Thank you.
Matum.
Is my material
I want to
good?
make a stream about the book of Genesis. We're starting the book of Genesis pretty soon. That's next Shabbos. Just one Shabbos and we'll all be free. Just one Shabbos, come and join with me. We'll sing and dance through the sky with our spirits so high. Well, we'll be starting Genesis, so come and join us too. No, this does what Nintendo don't.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-81 south exit toward Harrisburg.
Alright.
thank you for your donation. Super chat. Love the super chats. No, it has to be clean. But all right. So that was a pretty. Again. All of these were funnier when we weren't recording.
Yeah.
I think that was so funny. I should have recorded.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the I-81.
More episodes of Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor, which is the new title because there is already a Midnight Mausoleum.
Everyone who supports Joseph Kolakowski and Bitview, and then watch my.
Continue on I-81 south for 19 miles.
There's a YouTube copy on this, but it's like old YouTube, crappy YouTube web series. And I'm gonna have like long dark hair and sunglasses and a bandana on my face. I'm gonna be wearing a hoodie, and I'll be making comedy, and I'll also be animated too. So wait for that, but I need to get my camera.
It's for two, but Shabbos in our home, whoever knew. Just one Shabbos and we'll all be free. Alright, we're back. Yo, hello, fish. Something. Fish guts. Was it Fish Squad? 1, 2, 3.
Fish Squad?
Yeah, Fish Squad. That's a cool name.
Yeah.
We'll sing and dance through the sky with our spirits so high.
What would a cockroach?
Oh yeah, that is,
it is blimp.
a blimp.
What would a cockroach squad be?
I don't know.
Like a cock squad.
Hey, that's just
I bet a cockroach.
rooster. Alright, I guess that's not funny. Does Hershey still have kosher food now? Oh, is today like Hershey Kosher Park? I don't know. Hello. Alright, I guess we're going to end this live stream now. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Watch
Comment.
the Summer web series.
And we'll see you later.
Gotta get my mark out. Yeah.